Welcome back to my channel. Kristie here, and today we're just going to make some bread, easy bread that doesn't take the whole day to do. So what we have here is some yeast, some salt. I'm trying to cut down on salt, so I think that's just a little bit under a teaspoon. We're going to be making 3 cups of using 3 cups of the flour as well. So first thing we're going to do is, this is like warm water from the tap. I got 1 cup and 1/4. Okay, 1 and 1/4 of water, and then we're gonna toss in the yeast. I got 3 teaspoons of the yeast, and then I've got the salt here. We're gonna mix that together. Sorry. We will be mixing this together. Okay, that's better. So what we have here is going to be mixing this together. You can use a fork or the spoon to mix it, or of course whatever you got to mix it. Gotta move. This might be good too, because then I can catch the edges. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. Okay? I'm just gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and we'll be right back. It's been 10 minutes. Sorry, gang. 10 minutes. And then I got the flour already ready to go. Let me get a spatula thingy. Okay, I just like to use this one here, okay? Don't judge me or anything. Okay, so we got that going. And then we're just gonna go ahead and throw this in with my yeast mixture. So it's up to you how much salt you want to put, but I'm trying to lay off of my salt. So we're just gonna give this a mix. So I was trying out tweaking this recipe, and I really like the outcome of this one. So I did give this a good mix. It may seem wet here, but I do like the outcome of this recipe. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for an hour. Okay, I will be right back. I'm gonna just cover it with this towel. Okay, and we'll be right back in an hour. I mean the hour, sorry. It just was 10 minutes. Look how much it expanded. Look at that. Okay, and we're gonna mess that up again. We're gonna go ahead and put it on this on the cutting board. Okay, we're just gonna do this here. I'm gonna put the bread here. Look at that. Looks like okay. from the oven right here. Just gonna, it's gonna be hot, so be careful, gang. I'm just gonna sprinkle a little. I don't think it's necessary because when I did it the other day, it was really easy to come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the I don't know, today is different. It's so tacky. It's really tacky today. I will be covering the lid and then just putting it into the oven for half an hour. In the meantime, I will be washing the dishes. I will be right back. Okay guys, I have taken off the lid. Say 10 minutes. I will let it cook for half an hour and then I'm gonna cook it another 10 minutes. There you go. I'm just gonna check it. Sorry. I think that is good. I don't want it too brown. What happened to my... Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out. And there you go. So even though it was like a kind of tacky, if you guys seen that while I was cooking it, it kind of makes this design on there when it's like that. That's what I've learned. But we're gonna go ahead and let this cool down. We have a cooling rack here. And let's see how easy it is for it to come out of the pan. Oh, not that easy. Okay, hang on. The oil is easy. It just has to needed a little bit help. And then the bottom. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and let that cool off for a bit. I just want to say I've been liking the bread, making bread, and it's like so delicious, you know. It's so good. And then you hear that crunch. Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay guys, look at that. Like, look at that. It just looks so crunchy. We're gonna go ahead and cut it in a little bit, okay? I'm gonna give it 5 minutes at least. Ready. So I'm gonna go back to the it feels really nice. It's not too hot. But we're gonna go ahead and cut it. This is my little just gonna cut a little piece on this side. because I'm gonna have that and look at it. Look at that. It's hot bread. You guys gotta try it. Even it's a good bread. Look at how hot that is. Look at that. Thanks for watching, you guys. So this is gonna be like a bread series. I'm gonna adjust the recipe. Maybe if I will do it tomorrow or the next day. But I'm gonna adjust it and put more flour next time. And then I'm gonna go ahead and make some sourdough. I'm just waiting for my sourdough kit to come in. Alright, this is really good. Thanks for watching.